Hey, it's Tiffany here from Think Differently with Tiffany, where I inspire others to think differently and take action now. So we've been having a lot of snow lately, more than we've had in years. So I decided to build a snowman for the first time, and my son and I just took action. It was a lot of fun, and we are so happy with the results. And guess what? This snowman only took us about 20 minutes to make. I used what we had available for the snowman's face, which was a carrot for the nose, gray pebbles for the mouth. I rubbed red Skittles on his cheeks for coloring. I used lava rocks for his eyes and buttons, white artificial twigs for the arms, a superhero cape, and a party hat. Feel free to get creative with your snowman without having to buy items. And as always, if this video was helpful, hit that like button and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to see more thoughtful content as well. Time to get started. And remember, keep thinking differently with Tiffany.
Day 2 of our winter blizzard. We're going to attempt to make a snowman. I don't know. This is really deep. We're talking about. There goes my fire pit, which is no longer there, covered by snow. It's insane.
Hello folks! Mommy's trying to build a snowman. But I think it would be pretty easy if you tried too. So I'll send it to you, and Mommy's coming to make a snowman like as possible. So I'll see you later. Bye! Ta-da!
Perfect condition. You just gotta roll it. Keep rolling it and make it bigger. And bigger. Wait, slow. Keep rolling it. In front of the camera, okay? Keep rolling it.
Until it gets bigger.
Yeah, it gets bigger.
Mom, that's it. Mom, that's it, Mom.
Bigger. We need a bigger snowman, huh?
No.
Go right over here and start rolling it. Go ahead and start rolling it.
Okay. And then pick it up. Mom, I'm done.
Bigger. Perfect. Wonderful. Now, start doing it, rubbing your hand, make it nice and smooth. This is the bottom.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, we'll hold it there for now. Wait until we're ready for it, okay? Give me a minute.
You can make more snow there.
You okay? Wait, stop. You're funny.
Mom,
Yeah, baby.
please stop rolling it. Around. Wow. Wow. You're really good at this.
Thank you.
Uh,
The perfect snowflake.
yeah. Now you know how to make a snowball?
Yeah.
Me, a snowman.
Snowman.
Woo. I made a head.
All right, Jasper, what you got? Let me see.
Not yet, Mom. Oh, I got this. I got this.
Wonderful.
Now put it on.
Wonderful. Wait, let me just make a little rounder. This is great, Jasper. Wonderful.
Okay, now.
No, so now we're gonna do this, right?
Finally.